In Bali, Indonesia, a sacred temple that has been around since the 11th century was made to unite the people. Pura Samuantiga is the name, a place where three elements converge: kings, priests, and public figures unify their perception and vision for the Hindu religious teachings in the temple, ultimately creating the fundamentals of Balinese Hindu life known as Trimurti. The meeting eliminates ego, unifying the people. In 1999, the arrival of the 21st century was greeted by sacred rhythm, a musical celebration of humanity and its caring values to confront the next millennium, 1,000 years in the future. Pura Samuantiga was one of the places that were used for the first ever festival. At the temple, diverse musicians tried to unite their perception and vision through music where Balinese gamelan and international percussion meet. Sacred Rhythm by Sacred Bridge Foundation, UNESCO, and other collaborators was made after social, political, and economic instability in Indonesia that happened in 1998. The festival was intended for global friendship. It was also recognized as the United Nations event to officiate the year 2000 as the International Year for the Culture of Peace. Sacred Rhythm welcomes the dawning of the millennium with peace through music. It re-educates the public about the importance of music in human life. 20 years have passed, and Sacred Rhythm comes home to Bali, the home of the original Sacred Rhythm at the turn of the millennium. From the 30th December 2020 to 31st January 2021. Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison returns with the theme of homecoming, responding to the recent issues in human life such as COVID-19, technology, and economics. Homecoming represents a melting pot for individuals who want to re-interconnect the value of art, science, and conscience that is important to humanity and its history. Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison Homecoming opens the festival with a ritual ceremony at Pura Samuantiga, trying to unite perception and vision once again through music and intercultural dialogue.
Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for all of you that are watching. I hope you are all staying in a good shape, healthy, and safe. I'm Tisna Dityana. On behalf of Sacred Bridge Foundation, I would like to welcome everyone from the corners of the world to the opening gong of Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison Homecoming Journey into the Self. Sacred Rhythm Festival was first initialized in 1999 in Bali, Indonesia, at the turning of millennium, a series of roots music events that is intended for the global friendships. It involves masters of different musical genres from corners of the world. The festival was recognized as a United Nations event to the official year 2000 as the International Year for the Culture of Peace, and it involved 1,000 Indonesians and 100 international percussionists. This festival series is a non-commercial event designed not only to safeguard a dialogue as a primary means in settling difference through music, but also to reposition music as a cultural manifestation, not a mere community. It is also a program that re-educates the public about the importance of the roles, functions, and meaning of music in human life. Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison Homecoming in itself is a continuous journey into rediscovering our human connections through the unisons of art, science, and conscience, revealing our power to heal our currently fractured society and build harmony lies in the depth of our humanity. Our collective spirituality. The sacred temple of Samuan Tiga in Ubud, Bali was not only a crucial home for the birth of Sacred Rhythm Festival, but more importantly, it portrays a historical and spiritual significance for the Balinese men and women until today, and still becomes a sacred place of worship of contemporary Balinese. Through intercultural dialogue, leading to the coexist in peace and harmony amongst various sects and belief systems had once taken place in the sacred reconciliation that not only should the Balinese bear the fruits, but also humanity as a whole. What is sacred or of imperishable supreme value is what we can be as a human race empowered, fulfilled individuals, living in harmony, deeply sharing and caring for each other across our separate cultural and life roads, understanding the fundamental depth and equality of our shared lives. Where mindfulness, mutual human benefit, and mutual trust are the norms in our economic relations rather than separative self-interest and contracted immediate economic deal.
Om Swastiastu, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam namo buddhaya. Perkenalkan, saya Inyoman Astite, adalah salah seorang dari para penggagas Sacred Rhythm. 20 tahun yang lalu, kami SBF di bawah pimpinan Serrano G. Sianturi mendapat dukungan dari UNESCO dan juga Kementerian Pariwisata pada saat itu, dukungan dalam menyelenggarakan sebuah festival internasional yang berlangsung di area Pura Samuan Tiga di mana kita berada saat ini. Festival juga dipercaya sebagai sebuah media atau mempunyai fungsi yang penting di dalam memberdayakan peran sosial di berbagai lapisan masyarakat. Festival yang diselenggarakan pada pergantian tahun 1999 ke tahun 2000 adalah tonggak pergantian abad 20 ke abad 21. Merupakan sebuah ajang festival internasional yang melibatkan para musician, perkasionis, komposer, dan scholar dari berbagai belahan dunia yang kemudian dikenal dengan Sacred Rhythm The Millennial Percussion for Unison Festival. Festival ini digelar sebagai ajang dialog lintas tradisi, lintas budaya, dan lintas etnis dengan tujuan untuk menumbuhkan, memberdayakan, dan juga mengharmoniskan keragaman dalam irama kehidupan sosial. Pura Samuan 3 yang dipilih sebagai tempat penyelenggaraan festival kemudian menjadi tempat lahirnya Sacred Rhythm. Secara historis, Pura Samuan 3 pada abad ke-11 adalah heritage bersejarah peradaban Bali sebagai tonggak tumbuhnya perdamaian dan pemersatu rakyat Bali. Setelah 20 tahun berlalu, SBF yang pertama kali dicetuskan di Pura Samuan 3 kembali ke rumahnya dengan menggelar festival Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison atau SRRU Homecoming 2020 yang akan berlangsung selama 1 bulan penuh mulai dari 30 Desember tahun 2020 sampai dengan 31 Januari tahun 2021. Festival SRRU Homecoming 2020 terdiri dari berbagai kegiatan dialog, webinar, dan virtual performances. Saya Inyoman Astita sebagai arsitek direktur festival SRRU Homecoming 2020-2021 mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh kontributor, para musician, perkasionis, komite, partisipan, dan semua pihak yang telah menyumbangkan karya, pemikiran, material dan non-material, media, dan seluruh organisasi yang menjadi counterpart sehingga festival ini bisa dapat diselenggarakan sesuai rencana. Terima kasih kami sampaikan kepada Juru Bendesa dan pemangku Pura Samuan 3 atas perkenan dan dukungannya di dalam mensukseskan festival ini. Terima kasih juga kami sampaikan kepada Bapak Wakil Gubernur Bali yang telah bersedia membuka festival secara resmi melalui commencement speech secara virtual. Om Santi, 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 Om Rahayu.
So, thank you very much, Bapak Komang. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. I hope you are well, healthy, and safe during the time of uncertainties due to the pandemic. To continue the crucial remarks delivered by our beloved father, a teacher, and the founder of the Reborn Unison movement, Bapak Komang Astita, I would like to also announce that the movement was also initiated back in 2018 by the heart and soul of Sacred Bridge Foundation, almarhum Bapak Serrano Gara Sianturi, and also Bapak Adhikara Rahman and Bapak Itham Setiadi. Unfortunately, Bapak Adhikara and Bapak Itham could not be with us today. On behalf of the young generation of Sacred Bridge Foundation, I'm Bubu Sianturi. Would like to welcome and to invite all of you to become part of this journey with us at the Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison Homecoming Journey into the Self. We are grateful and thankful to be here at this very sacred temple of Samuan 3 in Gianyar, Bali, the original home of Sacred Rhythm. The return home is more than necessary for us to touch base with the roots culture, values that have been inherited through generations that must continue to cultivate and to be understood for generations to come. The living, tangible cultural heritage of Bali that symbolizes unity, the unisons of differences, diversities of human cultures. It is the sacred reconciliation that reflects and resonates with the Reborn Unison movement. The idea behind this project comes from the concept of harmony that humankind has struggled to achieve since his early awakenings. This is then strengthened by our deep concerns of our currently fractured and anxious societies caused by the dominating forces of the global economy of self-interest, the advancement of information technology, and of course, the coronavirus pandemic. The harmony in unison principle, which brings alignment across difference, is a term drawn from music, polyphony, bringing two or more separate themes together into an overall harmony. The harmony tests its support for human values of sharing and care rather than self-interest, as well as cohesion and cooperation in the social world, whereas the rhythm is a mirror of a diverse culture themes that set the pattern of experience. The Reborn musical experience extracts the very core element of basic human values of trust, sharing across differences, establishing values through capitalizing on co-creation across cultures, and the obtainable treasures of mutual understanding, respect, and truthful knowledge, which are holistic necessities across the arts, science, and conscience. The new worldview and ethos inspired by the polyphonic co-creation informs us about what it truly means to listen. An attempt to weave musical tones and emotions, harmony and rhythm from corners of the world in search for new musical discoveries. Reborn Unison is not a statement in its own. It cries out loud the need to work together for culture to become both driver and enabler of human development, sustainable development, or the upholding of continuous and inclusive improvement of human well-being. The journey into the self begins here today, marked with Matur Puning, a sacred ceremony that aims to ask for permissions and blessings for the event, as well as an opportunity for us to offer prayers together for the world to heal quickly from this pandemic. The series of event has begun yesterday with the opening speech by Mr. Stephen Hill, the founder of Sacred Bridge and Sacred Rhythm, as well as the presentation from Rhythm Salad League Reborn. And today, as the opening gong and the performances, as well as the intercultural dialogue that will take place throughout the month of January in 2021, involving more than 30 musicians, solo and ensemble from 5 continents, as well as panelists and speakers with interdisciplinary backgrounds. Thank you all for connecting with our effort to unite humanity once again. This homecoming event, of course, was impossible to organize nearly a month ago, but with the great enthusiasm, help, and support from an amazing team of volunteers and partners, the event became possible. So thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And also, I would like to thank Juru Pendesa and the Juru Pemangku at Samuan Tiga that has led us with the ceremony today. And a very special thank you also to the Vice Governor of Bali for his immense support for our homecoming event. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the event, and may you all always be blessed by the sacred. Thank you.
Thank you.
For our audience who have only joined us today, the pre-opening event of Homecoming had been aired yesterday, with the special remarks delivered by Mr. Stephen Hill, the founder of Sacred Bridge and Sacred Rhythm. The rest of the performance and the intercultural dialogues will be aired throughout the month of January 2021. For more information regarding the timetable of the series of the event, please visit our website and social media platforms that are shown on the screen below. Before we showcase the special performance from our Balinese musicians and artists, today we would like to thank the Vice Governor of Bali, Bapak Profesor Dr. Insinyur Cokorde Oke Arte Ardana Sukawati for his support and willingness to join our homecoming journey. Let us now hear the opening statement of our Vice Governor.
Yang saya hormati Ketua Yayasan Sacred Bridge, yang saya hormati hadirin undangan yang juga berbahagia. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, shalom, namo buddhaya, dan rahayu. Sebagai umat beragama, tidak henti-hentinya kita panjatkan puji syukur kehadapan Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa, Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, yang senantiasa melimpahkan berkahnya, sehingga kita bisa berkumpul dan dipertemukan pada acara hari ini, yaitu pembukaan homecoming yang diselenggarakan oleh Yayasan Sacred Bridge secara virtual. Hadirin yang saya hormati, pelestarian seni dan budaya yang dilakukan melalui berbagai upaya, baik oleh pemerintah maupun masyarakat pencinta seni, yang tergabung dalam berbagai komunitas, termasuk juga Yayasan Sacred Bridge Foundation yang menyelenggarakan kegiatan Sacred Rhythm, merupakan sebuah upaya pelestarian seni dan budaya pada bidang musik, khususnya musik perkusi, yang pertama kali digaungkan secara internasional di Bali saat menuju penggantian tahun 1999 ke tahun 2000. Nah, dalam rentang waktu 20 tahun penyelenggaraan kegiatan ini, tentu terdapat berbagai hal yang menjadi tantangan tujuan kegiatan yang menjunjung tinggi nilai dialog lintas kebudayaan, lintas agama, dan lintas disiplin atas dasar keterbukaan dan kesetaraan. Untuk membawa kembali tentunya perdamaian dan keharmonisan. Nah, apalagi di tengah-tengah kondisi ketidakpastian pandemi COVID-19 yang melanda dunia saat ini, tidak hanya berdampak pada masalah kesehatan, tapi juga terhadap kondisi perekonomian global, sosial, bahkan budaya, termasuk penyusunan strategi eksistensi seni dan budaya itu sendiri. Hadirin yang berbahagia, dengan mengangkat tema Journey into the Self, penyelenggara kegiatan Sacred Rhythm yang lahir kembali dengan nama Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison, sejalan dengan kondisi dunia saat ini, yang bertujuan untuk membangun kembali rasa saling percaya antar umat manusia. Apalagi pemilihan Bali, khususnya Pura Sembilan Tiga sebagai tempat pelaksanaan kegiatan ini, akan memberikan semangat persatuan dan persaudaraan yang dibangun dari tanah Bali. Dan untuk itu, saya atas nama pemerintah dan masyarakat Bali mengucapkan terima kasih serta memberikan apresiasi yang setinggi-tingginya atas penyelenggaraan kegiatan ini, dan berharap agar kegiatan ini dapat terlaksana dengan baik serta terbangun kesadaran dan rasa persaudaraan guna bersama-sama menjaga dan melestarikan kekayaan seni dan budaya bangsa. Akhirnya, atas asung Kertawarunugraha Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa, homecoming saya nyatakan dibuka secara resmi. Sekian, terima kasih. Om Santi Santi Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rahayu, rahayu, rahayu.
Coronavirus. COVID-19 pandemic.
On this opening gong day, we would like to present to you a very special performance from Balinese musicians and artists that have joined us since the day of the Reborn Unison movement was born in 2018. They are Bapak Ida Oke Wayan Granoke, Bapak I Gusti Putu Sudarte, Bapak Imade Agus Wardana, and also one of the our community, Catur Muka Suara. We will begin with Bapak Idowayan Oke Granoka. Aptly nicknamed Gong, for spending his childhood playing gamelan and habit of sleeping next to the instruments, was born in 1949 in Buda Keling, east part of Bali, into a Brahmin family. He was then acknowledged as the child prodigy of Balinese traditional music. Many Balinese scholars have admitted openly that the aesthetic and religious philosophy of Idowayan Oke Granoka Gong is simply far beyond their comprehensions, pairing Sanskrit words, modern scientific terms, and sacred mantras in one sentence. In 1991, Granoka founded Bajra Sandi, an aesthetic and spiritual community that uses the arts as a medium to reach enlightenment. Now, at 69 years old, Granoka still patiently, diligently, and passionately teaches Balinese arts to his pupils. A feat that is now endowed to hundreds of dancers and musicians who have studied under his wings in the hopes that the Balinese arts could flourish in everyday lives to take the world back to the path of purity. Let's now listen to Bapak Granoka.
Suaran gong gangse pakarana musik Bali. Raih Tuhan kemenangan di bumi kemenangan. 7 abad Bhinneka Tunggal Ika dan Hana Dharma Manggala. Pancasila sejak di kandung badan. Sudisoma Metatren 2100 program Mahkota Mahabaja Sandi. Wabah pandemi tidak akan menghentikan peredaran cakrawala. Ia hanya menunggu perbaikan umat dalam arti mengajari DNA-nya di tahun dasawarsa takdir. Suar cahaya satu jiwa membawa kidung satu jantung. Kalimat jiwa sama dengan 1, kidung 7, jantung 8. Ya, dialah 178 tahun 45. Itulah hari kemerdekaan kita. Dekode Mahabajra Sandi memecah kode telur kosmis Brahma yang Maha Esa adalah manifestasi dari kesempurnaan besar jiwa proklamasi kemerdekaan Indonesia. Sabda telah menjadi daging. Soft culture. The 2045 inisiatif supradunia sastra buat kemahardikan utama kesejajaran Snap Harari Hitchcock Yohanes Granoka Mahabajra Sandi. Bahasa musik yoga pakarana gong gangse Mahabajra Sandi memberi spesifikasinya. Ding kecerdasan musik kita. 1. Lingkaran-lingkaran gelombangnya menciptakan prinsip 7 nada linear, memunculkan kekacauan sejatinya keselarasan. Dan pada hitungan 8 oktav kembali ke 1, siklus menemu ruang. Subjek nada meletupkan kelipatan gelombang, menggetarkan seluruh akar 7 patala bumi. Irama tabuhnya sama dengan pergeseran gelombang cipta prakempan jagat anyar, tatanan dunia baru dengan 4 Arya Satya prinsip benar dan 5 sila prinsip dasar harmoni semesta. Hukum periodik nada bilang waktu sekarang berlangsung cepat. Polimet 1 ditambah 5 sama dengan 6 oktav ding. Purusa sada bijnya. 1 ditambah 7 sama dengan 8 oktav plus minus. Purusa prakerti, manifestasi, kontinum besar, estetis, mistik, sadar dan takjub, mandala tercipta, sad asat, triwindu sang yang pernah terjadi, ada tiada, putusan kehadiran kelangsungan di titik nol Bali sinergi, di pusat hulu sukma persemayamannya. Mengapa hulu? Di hulu ia berseru. Final. Ding. Mengundang kasih. Dewesi. Manusia kasih. Hanya kasih. Transformasi kasih yang hebat, luar biasa dan mengagumkan. Para sakti maya, prinsip 2 panduan maha dahsyat. 1:8 menunggu ruang. Ya. Siapa dia? Dialah. Akulah dia. Kembali ke kasih. Suara gong roh ke satu patan. Suara gong itu terdengar menggetarkan akar 7 lapis bumi. Jir. Puput, selesai seutuhnya terpenuhi jiwa terpuji sah, hak dan puncak. Sinar pertama kuasanya. Merte Anjaya. Hening, Bude Keling, Bongkase, Paripurna Bali, Indonesia Maju 2020.
Our next performance is I Gusti Putu Sudarta. Bapak Gusti was born into a family of artists in the village of Bedulu, Gianyar. As a child, he has always been familiar with gamelan and learned gamelan from the teacher in the village. At 9 years old, Sudarta started to acquaint himself with Gender Wayang. A couple of Gender Wayang masters who he called his teacher was the late Nang Daud Lanus from Bedulu and the late Nang Racik, also known as Nang Gobiah from Tengkulak, who was a pupil of the late I Wayan Lonceng, a Gender master from Sukawati, Bali. There he met Kak Lonceng for the first time and studied Pengramayanan tunes. From here, little Sudarta's interest in wayang started to grow. After finishing his study at STSI, Denpasar in 1991, Sudarta was appointed as a lecturer of puppetry major at the Faculty of Performance Arts, ISI Denpasar. As an artist and a university lecturer, he was engaged in many art activities and programs, be it religious, academic, and also national and international art festivals. As a Balinese artist, Sudarta has visited and been invited to many countries to participate in arts festivals, seminars, intercultural experimental music, and theater collaborations. In October 2019, Sudarta completed his postgraduate degree in Arts of Creation at ISI Surakarta. Please welcome I Gusti Putu Sudarta, an ensemble with Kidung Tridaya and Ginanti Hinggansan.
Meru sarira kastiti ya Maha suci Puspa Padmo Padmo Pradaya Magenta suarane Moganoya Desni Malepano Silo Ngayu Sadari dadi dupan ngipun madipak hidup galang sok rikayone manusane rati dukul mangkok mengaturang daripada dua ya sang luwih mungkin suwung kedas telah hilang puyung bolong menap bersih mati suwud miwah galang madat degang pragat kening buntar duk sing moksa sepi ento kadang basa bagus mekejang bawakan norono norone buwe ningatin dokumungu ring unuk malih pedasang sir mirip Subolio tau kadine mungure ngaji mirip Subolio tau kadine mungure ngaji jatin sangsara punika wedhu saking tingkah pelik jatin sangsara punika wedhu saking tingkah pelik pelik saking ketametan tamat dadi dasar sedih sir tamat ngawin nang lacur bolak balik manumati tamat ngawin nang lacur bolak balik manumati bingke melae binduka dekak ngubar sukanati bingke melae binduka dekak ngubar sukanati ngalih hidup mati bakat ngalih bajang tuwa pangeh tamatan lian puniku dadi kranan sami-sami krana cenget kadi jantro suka duka maliner pangeh jani sedih nyanan girang suwut girang sedih malih ping seket jantos ping siu bolak balik manumati ping seket jantos ping siu bolak balik manumati ngubungin pakitan mana kaden iyo bisa drepti ngubungin pakitan mana kaden iyo bisa drepti subo satak nage domas subo siu nagek aketi Pamuputan taen cukup nanang kuang sai-sai Pamuputan taen cukup nanang kuang sai-sai Kadi sase nyolo tukat kadi geni makso lengis Kadi pase nyolo tukat kadi geni makso lengis Sai emu sai kuang sido hantuk ngenamin tanpa wadas tanpa tanggung kita nesai nagehen yaning tan wenten ke sidan sinah dadi sakit hati ibuk sedih manyang saro masih tamat menasa
Our next performers lead by Imade Agus Wardana, or known as Bleachiat, who is known for creating a new musical genre called Gamut, that stands for Gamelan Mulut, in 2015, at Brussels, Belgium. Gamut itself can be translated to mouth gamelan, voicing instruments such as pemade, ugal, kendang, ceng-ceng, and gong kempur with vocals and mouth techniques. Today, for the first time, Bleachiat will perform with his new Gamut Genggong ensemble from his Pegok Sesetan roots, a reconstruction of Genggong Pegok Cak Ganjur from between the 1930s and 40s. Please welcome Bleachiat with the Gamut Genggong ensemble, followed by Topeng Gamut and Manyung. Manyung is a fictional character who is of Balinese and Belgian mixed origin, always smiling and full of wisdom. Please welcome Bleachiat with his new Gamut and Genggong ensemble.
Udah nyaman kanyong odiang nyaman mokangan Komodo sing nyidang ngoyong juma 2 bulan. Tiang suba medagang beli medagang daloman, dagang lumpia salad buah, kanti medagang sayuran. Ya tuwag sajan nyoman ngali selah di tengah wabah. Kang yang beli mula moneti yang nyidang. Tuwag sajan nyoman ngali selah di tengah wabah. Kang yang beli tabungane subetelang. Jeng nyet la 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 ling la la cha la la leng yang ya ling yang 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 jeng ya ling yang ya leng ya ling jeng yang yang ya jeng leng nong jeng nyet jeng la la ling yang la la cha la la leng yang 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 nyong jeng la le la le la le jeng la leng ya jeng yang yang cho ra nheng nhong nheng nhà ra nheng nhong nhong nhê re nhong lên nhà lo chọn nhà nheng nhong cho đèn nhong nheng nhong nheng nhong cho ra nheng nhong nheng nhà nheng nhong nhong nhê re nhong lên nhà lo lên nhà lên nhong 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 chọn nhà nheng nhong cho đèn nhong nheng nhong nheng nhong Jeng nyet jeng la 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 ling yang la cha la la leng yang yang ling yang 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 jeng ya ling yang yang ling yang ling jeng yang 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 jeng leng nong jeng nyet jeng la la ling yang la cha la la leng yang 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 jeng la le la le la le jeng la leng yang jeng yang yang cho ra nheng nhong nheng nhà ra nheng nhong nhong nhê re nhong lên nhà lo lên nhà lo cho nhà nheng nhong cho đèn nhong nheng nhong nheng nhong cho ra nheng nhong nheng nhà nheng nhong nhong nhê re nhong lên nhà lo lên nhà lên nhong 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 cho nhà nheng nhong cho đèn nhong nheng nhong nheng nhong nhà lên nhong nheng nhét chê lo lên nhà Dua bulan Di tengah hawa Jorot jora siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 jala ling jala lola ling jala ling jaling 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 jala lola ling jala jong jeng jaling jaling lola jora jeng jang jeng jong jeng jero jeng jeng jore jore jero jero jaling 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 jeng jore jore Jorot jora siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 lola ling jala lola ling jala ling jaling jaling jala lola ling tak jong jeng jaling jaling jora jeng jang jeng jong jeng jero jeng jeng jore jore jero jero Jorot jora siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 lola ling jala lola ling jala ling jaling jala lola tak jong jeng jaling jaling jora jeng jang jeng jong jeng jero jeng jeng jore jore jero Jorot jora siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 injot jala lola siring jaling 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 lola ling jala lola ling jala lola tak jong jeng jaling jaling jora jeng jang jeng jong jeng jero jeng jore jore Joro jora Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la lo la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la lo la Siring jaling 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 Jo Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la lo la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la lo la Siring jaling 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 Jo Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la lo la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la la Siring jaling 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 Jo jo la la Siring jaling 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 Jo Aduh pengak sama Sami Sinempura keiwangan Nuna sarakayu Wey! Gamelan bulut berkembang terus menerus. Demen hati, demen dinding lah grup gamelan gamut. Oh, gamelan bulut, gamut grup. Semangat, energi ada, semua ada. Ha! Jong jeng jong jang jong jeng shi ba jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jang jong jeng jeng jong jeng jong jang jeng jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng shi ba jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jong jeng jong jeng jeng jong jang jeng jang jeng Manyung, di mana dirimu? Buswang Manyung, where are you bro? Let's do it. Jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng jeng jong jang jeng jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng jeng jong jang jeng jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si cha la re la ro re la tu 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 cha je re ro re jit 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 cha la re la ro re ro jat cha je re ro re la ro re je re cha re la re je Jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jong 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 jeng jeng jong jeng jong jong jang jeng jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si jong jang jang jeng jong jang jong jang jeng jong jeng jong 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 jeng jeng jong jang jeng jang jeng jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si cha la re la ro re la tu 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 cha je re ro re jit 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 cha ro re la ro re ro jat cha je re ro re la ro re je re cha re la re jong jeng jong jang jong jeng si bong ti 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 si bong Taki
Catur Muka Suara is a collective art group based in Denpasar, Bali, that always provides a space for young artists to create art and preserve the cultivate of cultural roots and heritage of Bali. Catur Muka Suara would like to thank Sacred Bridge Foundation for the invitations to join the homecoming journey, or in Indonesians, bergabung dalam perjalanan kembali ke rumahnya. Catur Muka Suara will present a mixture of Balinese popular music repertoire in a medley form entitled Lagu Medley, Ratu Anom, Made Cenik, Kaki-Kaki. Pindakan Pakubon, composed by Inoman Astita and arranged by Ikomang Aditya Permana. And the last one is Tatuang Asi by Nyanyian Dharma. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the performance.
Om Swastiastu. Halo, nama saya Wulanti Sandi. Saya perwakilan dari Catur Muka Suara yang hari ini telah mengikuti acara Matur Piuning yang ada di Pura Samuan 3 untuk mohon doa restu pada acara Sacred Rhythm Reborn Unison Homecoming 2021, di mana pada acara itu kami Sanggar Catur Muka Suara ikut berkontribusi untuk menampilkan beberapa garapan kami. Salah satunya adalah lagu yang diciptakan oleh Bapak Komang Astite, salah satu founder kami. Dan di sana kami mencoba untuk menyuguhkan seni budaya kami dengan tujuan untuk melestarikan, juga untuk bisa dinikmati oleh halayak banyak. Ya, demikian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Silahkan dinikmati, please enjoy, and Om Santi 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 Om.
sulenge di Jaber dong pirengang munyen sulenge di Jaber enyenanto menyuleng di Jawa Tengah enyenanto menyuleng di Jawa Tengah Gusti ngurah ale jambe pemacutan Gusti ngurah ale jambe Ratu anom matangi meilen-ilen Ratu anom matangi meilen-ilen Dong pirengang munyen sulenge di Jaber Dong pirengang munyen sulenge di Jaber menyuleng di Jawa Tengah enyenanto menyuleng di Jawa Tengah Gusti ngurah ale jambe pemacutan Gusti ngurah ale jambe pemacutan Icodet mata tulupan Jangka jongkok menyaru menyoncong jangkrik menyaru menyoncong jangkrik jangkrik kipa ilotama jangkrik kipa ilotama tunjung beru margi iratu masolah musola saling enggokin musola saling enggokin tepuk api dong ceburen Kaki-kaki tong udah mabok di betang cungu heken di jagote nakat kapipi nebak misi abak buen putih buka kapase apa kaki tong laketon mabulu uleng di marelekade tuseng ceni kaki majenggot reko kaki tua maraya mante Ratu ano matangi mailen-ilen Ratu ano matangi mailen-ilen
kene geune melayangan.
Beh, luongan mau pelalian pindakan?
Ah, apa tuh pindakan?
Beh, komang senawang pindakan? Ne orene be. Gue timpal-timpal main-main. Weh, nene pindakan?
Oh, tuh ada ne pindakan. Sing pasangin nih.
Sing lah, lama pelalian pindakannya.
Lana oh.
jeritur melesat menguat, tindakannya melincah, itu tak matabuh cacaletan, tindakan pakuan akhirnya limuran mayang-lia ngulang-uni.
Remember sarang sami, you and me.
Sarang sami,
Remember sarang sami, foundation.
sarang sami,
Eling, ngiring sarang sami, eling ring tatwa masih, eling, 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 ngiring sarang sami, eling ring tatwa masih, sarang swadharma manusia patut ngamargi yang dharma ngemanutin agama sane utama.
mulati kerajangan ring sekala niskala sida kemargian dumugi
pandemic.